Morning, everyone. Well, we're having fun now. Quite the storm last night. Oh boy, I tell you. And apparently it's going to continue with snow, sleet, freezing temperatures. Again, I just got back on trail a couple days ago, or yesterday. No, yeah, yesterday. So, what's the plan? To go that way. That's the plan. You know what? I'm tired of making plans and having them not work out. So the plan is just to keep moving north and see where we end up. If the storm gets too bad, I get off, which I will probably try to do tonight. Sorry, I gotta yell above all the wind. But yeah, that's it. Just gonna move on forward. So let's go get it. All right, everything's thought out. I can pack up my tent now, I think, and try to get off trail. I gotta get off trail. Path up to a place called Mike's Place. It says all are welcome. Okay, let's go. Alright, what are we looking at here? Mike's Place to the left. Alright, let's go check it out. Like anybody's here. Okay, well, I managed to find a ride. I've been looking since yesterday afternoon. I gotta get out of the storm. Right now it's a windstorm, rain tonight, and then snow tomorrow, so I gotta be very careful. This is inclement weather, and especially at this altitude, so I gotta stay safe. I know it really upsets me to say this because I really want to be going up trail, but I just don't think it's smart. I know my limitations, and anyway, that's all I got to say. Back in Julian.